Suspect is left road. Suspect off-road requesting assistance.
Confirmed. Interceptor officers en route. Interceptor unit, command has approved spike strips for immediate use. Take them down. Suspect is headed off-road.
I got him going in for the pin.
Suspect is headed onto the South Base Trail.
I've made contact. He has sustained some damage.
Erratic driver spotted on Memorial Highway. Suspect vehicles have been stopped. Good job, officer.